Hello everyone and welcome to the Dragon Code. In this video we will cover polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms. Now I will go to the base class person and I will remove this pure virtual function. Instead I will write implementation for introduce function and I will write here I am person. And now there is method with same name introduced in classes person, student and professor, but it has different forms. In class person it prints I'm person, in student I'm student, and in professor I'm professor. So it will call introduce function from object I'm calling it. So I will also now I can also declare object person. And I will also call introduce function from person object. And now I will run this code, and as you can see, each object called its implementation of introduce function. But you can also store address of object of derived class inside pointer of base class. And I will do that, so it is going to be pointer of class person, and it will store object of student, of class student. And now because it is pointer I need to dereference it. Now when I call this introduce function from this pointer, it will print I am person Harry and I am 24. So it will call introduce function from person class, although it is object of class student. But how can I call introduce function from student class although pointer has type of person? I can do that with virtual functions. So I need to declare this introduce function in base class person virtual. And now it will look is there introduce function inside derived class and it will call it. And now if I run this program, it will print I am student Harry and I am 24, so introduce function inside student class is called. Because it is pointer, I need to deallocate this pointer. Because it is pointer of base class person, only destructor of person object will be called. I will write message in destructor in class person, cout person destruction. And I will also do that in class student. And now I will print student destruction. And now I will run this code. And as you can see, although it is student object, only destructor for person object is called. To also destroy student object, I need to declare this destructor inside person class virtual. And now I will run this code. And now you can see that both student object and person object are destroyed. And last thing I'm going to cover in this video is dynamic cast. Dynamic cast is used to convert types of pointers. Now I will go in main function and I will change name of this pointer to p1, and I also need to change name here. And I will also declare another person pointer p2, but now it will store professor object. I will copy this and I need bracket. And I also need to deallocate p2 object. Then I will declare student pointer. I will give it name student and it will initially be null pointer. And then I will, with dynamic cast, I will convert this person pointer p1 into student pointer. So I will convert it in student pointer, and what I will convert? I will convert p1 object. Then if after conversion student object is different from null pointer, it means conversion is successful. So I will print conversion is successful. And if it's not the case, I will print conversion failed. If conversion is successful, I will also call introduce function. And let's now run this code. So conversion is successful and it is student Harry and he is 24. But if I try to convert person p2 pointer which stores address of professor object into student pointer, let's try this. Conversion will fail. But now I will try to convert this p2 pointer to professor pointer. So I will declare professor pointer, which will also initially be null pointer. So I will try to convert in professor p2, and I also need to assign it to professor pointer. It is also professor here and here. And now if I run this code, conversion is successful. It is Professor Tom and he is 45. This is all for this video. If you like this video and want more videos like this, press like button and subscribe and see you next time.